uranium there at all. They've moved it to Nevada somewhere. Yucca, yeah. That's Johnny Rockets in existence.
Wow.
I really like Johnny Rockets. Is it still Guardians of the Galaxy?
Yeah, it's Guardians of the Galaxy. It used to be Twilight Zone. Okay, here we are. First one of the day, agility. All right, starting at the Los Angeles Zoo with the agility bobblehead. Yes, some agile animals at this place. All right, we're just gonna leave it in front, right on this stump. Oh shit. Oh boy, oh boy. It came apart. It came apart. Oh god. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Okay, it is what it is.
It's a nice community. Oh, sweet. In that tunnel. There you go. I'll just chill by the car. Yeah, do your thing. This is sick though. Holy shit, mate. Should we stop for a sec? Or I guess we can go to the top. Oh damn, this is cool.
What a view. Next bobblehead stop, Griffith Observatory. Yes, a place where they look at the sky, and we can get a good view of Los Angeles from here. So yes. Oh, appears to be closed today. Still. All right, let's put our perception bobblehead here.
He's there.
They have 2 games.
Yeah,
on that?
they're beating the
Hey, Pooh, can I get a photo?
It's like, damn, that LA river.
I mean, there's smoke coming out on that over yonder.
So we're going. Wait. Oops.
Okay, we're actually in the USC area. Yep, University of Southern California Clinical Science Center. This is where people learn to make medicine. And I got my medicine bobblehead right here. We're just gonna put this guy right next to the sign. All right, you future doctors, come find it. All right, I'm in downtown Los Angeles at City Hall South. Idyllic place to give a speech. Come to City Hall South in Los Angeles and get your bobblehead. Okay, in downtown LA, Broadway and 6. Figured a jewelry store is a place to be sneaky. Not that I want you to do that. LA Golden City. Let's leave the sneak bobblehead here. Be sneaky while we're doing it. Alright, still in downtown. Now we're going to do the Staples Center, which is where many sports events, including boxing and pro wrestling, happen. Fitting for the unarmed. Yes, watch men beat each other in boxing when that happens at the Staples Center. Oh, that's not, okay, here, how about here? Find it here at the Staples Center. So yeah, there's a lot of tributes to Kobe here.
There are.
Yeah.
It's pretty insane how many. It's kind of cool.
Oh, a Mario.
Look at some of this right here.
That looks like Nipsey. Yeah.
I'm in the Los Angeles Garment District, known for finding all the best, for finding, you know, fashion and materials for making clothing. Well, yes, parking is always a nuisance here, so let's make this quick. Get a deal? That means the barter bobblehead, so I'll just leave it here on the mannequin with the shorts. That's right. Find the barter bobblehead in the Garment District.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Off to MacArthur Park we go.
Let's go play on the swing set.
Hello. Me and the crew, who I do not photograph, are in MacArthur Park here in Los Angeles. Yes. And the bobblehead we're dropping, why is this? It is this lockpick bobblehead. Yes, get your lockpick bobblehead. That's on top of a lock here in MacArthur Park. All right, we are in beautiful Beverly Hills. And well, here I am at the start of UCLA. No, I'm not going to actually go on too far on campus. I'll just stick with the front entrance here with the sign, with the letters. And look, here's our intelligence bobblehead. If you're intelligent enough to be at UCLA, you can find this bobblehead.
That's pretty funny, actually.
It's a beautiful.
The ocean.
The ocean? We made it. That's why these houses are so expensive.
If I could find you, na 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 na. The luck bobblehead. Yes, we're on our way to put it in a place where you can get lucky. The Santa Monica Pier. Yep, it's behind these bushes. Look at it. Okay, the bushes are gone. There it is, Santa Monica Pier. My other hand is occupied, so, yep. Oh yes, there you are. We'll take you to the pier, Lucky Vault Boy.
Hey, hey! Oh, thank you, Mama. Get a balloon for the baby and a lollipop for the baby. Get one for yourself. See the balloons? Get a balloon for the baby.
We're on the Santa Monica Pier. West of Los Angeles, some rides and some games. You can get lucky here. You can also get lucky if you find this bobblehead, the luck bobblehead. Come find it at the Santa Monica Pier. I am here at Venice Beach, home of the famous Muscle Beach. Another beach. Yes, people are out, but none of the bodybuilders are using the exercise equipment at the dumbbell building here where Muscle Beach resides. Now, where's our bobblehead gonna be? Hi, Nick. About in front of Muscle Beach here. From the Muscle Beach to find this bobblehead of strength. Later. Universal City Walk. It's like a outdoor shopping mall before you get into Universal Studios. Universal's too expensive, but it's a place where you can find explosions. You can also find fire. Ah, Blaze Pizza. Blaze Pizza. Right next to Blaze Pizza, Explosives Bobblehead. Find the Explosives Bobblehead. We're at Blaze Pizza, the exploding blaze. Hello, I am at the Hollywood Walk of Fame. We got the stars here. Well, let's see, Ann Rutherford, Richard Carlson, Jetta Goodall. Okay, a bunch of names I actually am not familiar with. Yeah, what bobblehead do I have here? The Science Bobblehead. Where am I going to put it? Actually, the California Science Center was busy, so we decided to settle for the L. Ron Hubbard Life Exhibition, where the Church of Science. Yes, we're one of Scientology's main head office. We're one of Scientology's offices. Okay, come to the Scientology Center, the L. Ron Hubbard Life Exhibition. I know how ironic this is, but this is where the bobblehead's going. Later. I am here in Chinatown. A very lovely place. And now what bobblehead is here? Well, here is Bruce Lee. Not just a great fighter, good for the unarmed head, which is in Staples. Yes, one of the greatest martial artists to ever live, made some kick-ass movies in the 70s. But what bobblehead goes here? Well, Bruce Lee is very charismatic. So it's fitting that the Charisma bobblehead goes here. Thumbs up to Bruce Lee. Alright, next bobblehead. This is actually the entrance to Dodger Stadium. What bobblehead goes here? Well, after a last-minute change, we went with Endurance. Find the Endurance bobblehead at Dodger Stadium. Baseball players got to have it. Find Endurance at Dodger Stadium. Oh, and it fell down. Okay, next location on this day is the Los Angeles Museum of Arts. That's where you enter. This is one of their exhibits. It's an urban light exhibition. Yes, you got all these street lamps here. All right, this takes a lot of energy, so it's fitting for the energy bobblehead. Find it here. I'll put it on the corner there. Next location, beautiful Compton. It's actually not so bad here. Compton Boulevard and Alameda. All right, trolleys here. And our next bobblehead that goes in Compton is the Small Guns bobblehead. All right, reporting from the USS Iowa, docked in Long Beach. There's a cruise ship, the Catalina. There's the bridge. There's the USS Iowa. Oh, and this is a battleship with 3 cannons right there. I know it looks like 1, but it's actually 3. Yes, the battleship is a heavy weapon, a very big heavy weapon, fitting for a heavy weapons bobblehead. Come to the USS Iowa to find it. Alright, at the Queen Mary, docked in Long Beach. It's had some fixes over the years, so let's give it the repair bobblehead. Alright, final stop. And it's Buena Park. That must be a fun place. Medieval times. Oh yeah, medieval, castle-themed knights, queens. This is where you see a bunch of knights beat each other in jousting tournaments. Fitting for melee weapons. Yes, you see knights do melee here. Let's hope they do shows again. So yes, find melee weapons at medieval times. And with that, we say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hello, thanks for joining me on this journey. Thanks for viewing this video of me and two friends. Thank you. Hiding bobbleheads throughout Los Angeles County. Hopefully I can do it in as many cities in my lifetime. Okay, Nick, got any questions?
So, we didn't use the tripod. Why do you think that happened?
We just didn't get around to it.
Was it difficult to find the locations, being that they were such popular spots?
Not too difficult. They're popular spots, and hey, we put them in GPS. But yeah, some were crowded, like we couldn't do, the California, science place, since there was an event going, so we changed that to Scientology, kind of our joke. Yeah, it is science fiction. Okay, yeah. And of course we had a hard time finding Ray Charles library, or was it a museum? It just didn't look open, so it turned out.
Which one did we do instead of that?
We went to the Bruce Lee statue. He's charismatic. I know. Didn't know there was we found out while we were doing this that there was a Bruce Lee statue.
Did anybody notice you while you were walking around Los Angeles?
Well, I'm pretty sure people were looking at me, which I didn't catch on, and yes, someone was like, hey, Fallout sucks, when we were walking on Santa Monica Pier.
Yeah.
All right. And
how much time did you dedicate to each spot?
What, 5 minutes or so? Not that long at each spot, You would, just stop, and then, I drop the bobblehead. So, maybe a minute, maybe less than 2 minutes, like in the Garment District, or, because in Los Angeles, it just gets crowded. In San Diego, I have a chance to, parking just more accessible. In Los Angeles, not as much. Always got to pay to park.
Was there a favorite bobblehead that you did this trip?
Oh, favorite bobblehead out of 20. But I'm thinking Griffith Observatory, just being up there, and yeah, it's that'd be a place to put perception. And then when you're on Griffith, you look out, you see Los Angeles, then you see the Hollywood sign.
Excellent.
Okay, anything else?